Hi, great to see you all again. It's been just 3 months since we last met, but it's been such an exciting time. And together, we've covered lots of milestones. And just last month, we made history by doing the world's largest EV ride together, the Ola Unity Ride. The Ola community of almost 200,000 passionate customers is truly leading India's EV revolution. We're just getting started towards end ice age, and our target of all two-wheelers in India to become electric by the end of 2025 is absolutely in sight. Already in the premium scooter segment today, more than 90% vehicles sold are EVs, up from just 30% a year ago. And we at Ola are accelerating our efforts. We delivered MoveOS 3 to all of you, the third major software release in just a year. Just last week, we launched our yearly service subscription, Ola Care, to help you have a smooth ownership experience with us. We've also opened 200 experience centers across the country, where you can explore and buy our products and also get your vehicle serviced. Now, 80% of our customers are within 20 kilometers of an Ola experience center. And by March, we're going to open 500 centers to be as close to you as possible. And thanks to your support, Ola is India's largest EV company, and the S1 is India's best-selling electric vehicle. Today, we have some exciting announcements. Let's start with the S1. The S1 brings together the best design, the best technology, and the best performance ever in a scooter. It has a powerful 8.5 kilowatt motor, giving a crazy acceleration and top speed. And you have the choice of buying this in two variants, the 3 and the 4 kilowatt hour. Now, many of you have been telling us that your daily commute is limited and you don't need too much range, especially with our hypercharger network now scaling up. Many of you travel 20 to 30 kilometers daily at max, and a scooter with a range of 130, 140 kilometers is an overkill for you. Well, we heard you, and today we're adding a third option, the 2 kilowatt hour. It has the same great acceleration and performance as the other variants, but because of the smaller battery pack, comes more affordable. So if your need is a stylish, powerful scooter to go around your city, this is the one for you. Now, we launched the S1 Air last year to bring you the same great design and technology as the S1, but in a much more affordable package. The performance with its 4.5 kilowatt hub motor outcompetes most ICE scooters. We had originally announced the S1 Air with a 2.5 kilowatt hour battery pack. Today, we are bringing the same 3 pack options of 2, 3 and 4 kilowatt hour for you on the S1 Air 2. And you can now choose basis your need for range. So there we have it. That's our new lineup. The S1 and Pro bring to you the best performance ever in a scooter in 3 pack options. And if zipping at crazy speeds is not your calling and you need more calm, the S1 Air brings the same design and technology at a much more affordable price. Again, in the same 3 pack options. S1 Air is priced starting at 84,999 and the S1 starts at 99,999. You can buy the new S1 2 kilowatt hour today onwards, and all the S1 Air variants can be reserved today onwards for deliveries in July. We had to push out deliveries by 3 months to accommodate the new choices we brought to you today. And if you had already reserved the 2.5 kilowatt hour before today, you'll get a free upgrade to the 3 kilowatt hour S1 Air. Now, I'm really excited about our new product lineup, and I can't wait for many more of you to join the Ola community. Oh, one more thing before I go. एक्चुअली नो, कल चलो छोड़ो उसको, मैं अगली बारी बताऊंगा आपको.
Tell them, Bhavish.
Please tell them now.
Really?
Yeah.
अरे सब बाहर निकल जाएगा.
बोल दो.
Please बोल दीजिए.
Okay, relax, I'll tell them. When we started Ola Electric, we committed to Mission Electric. Zero ICE two-wheelers will be sold in India post 2025. So how will we make that happen? कुर्सी की पेटी बांध लीजिए. मौसम बिगड़ने वाला है. This one is a mic drop. Actually, it is the bike drop.